Colaz TV provides an update as it relates to the house he's renovating. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Reviews, and we'll be right back with the full details.
I think I'm going to go with the option of, you know, allowing my guests.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. So Colaz continues to do great things and great things indeed after he helped another student from case in order to pursue her higher education, and this was funded by Colaz, providing some funding to this student in order to offset the cost of her school fees. Now, Colaz is one of those individuals that I say continues to shine and shine so bright out there for the world to see. And he's doing such a marvelous job, and he's only one individual, so people have to be mindful of that. That he can't take on every single individual based on what the problems that they're going through, as he's one person, and it's just so hard for him alone to be focusing on helping people. But despite that, he still continues to try to do his best, providing many aids to different people, not only tuition but also by helping to feed the homeless people back in downtown Kingston, which is another great move by this individual. So in this video now, we're about to provide some update as it relates to the intended use that Colaz has now decided that he's gonna be using the house for. So many people have been commenting and stated that he should have used it for an Airbnb, and he kind of put that thought into some contemplation right now, and is going to do something similar to that as he said in the video. Not a full-fledged Airbnb, however it's going to be something similar of that nature. But all I want the people out there to do, and the fans right across the world, to support this initiative, because I believe that this is a good one, and based on the fact that whatever comes from this will be helping other people, that is such a great move by him as well. And I just wish him all the best as he pursue this dream and continue to just build on other things that he wants to do in order to help others, because not many people out there will be this kind and actually helping so many different people without not getting back much in return. However, when we look on what is going on around the world and in different aspects of people's life, and people really need to take a page from Colaz's book, because when you look on what this individual is doing, is only one person and is trying to help so many different people from different walks of life. And I can tell you that this individual is just so blessed and is so cherished right now that he will not even know what is actually going on right now. Right across the internet, everyone is raving for Colaz, and I can tell you that he deserves every single moment of the love that he's getting on social media, because I've never seen an individual pushed out so much help for people than I've ever seen in a very long time. And it's just such a good move by this individual, and I will forever try my best to highlight everything that he's actually doing and just pushing his content out there for more people to see, and just for people to come on board and support his initiatives, because I know that this individual, he mean other people good. He's not just taking all this for himself, and the fact that he's giving back to so many different people, trust me, it just bring that soft space in my heart for this individual. Colaz TV really out. Really respect this individual from I've been watching him up until now, and I know that many people can attest to that as well, that the level of respect that they have for Colaz can just go beyond words could express or explain right now, because I've been watching him for some time now when he just started out, and I continue to just grow and just love his content. I look forward to watching his content, and this is like one of the first YouTubers that I've come across that I love their content so much that I will watch it from start to end, No skipping when it come on to color simit videos. I watch out every ads. I just watch everything in order to support his move and just watch him grow from strength to strength. And that's what I want other people to do. When you see people out there that have such a good heart, these people need to be highlighted, they need to be supported, and they need to be at that aspect of their life where they feel comfortable and that the fans out there really love them. And that is what Color is actually doing or engaging in at this point in time, because I can tell you that the fan base that Colors have out there and the love that is out there for Colors, I don't believe that he actually knew the extent of how people out there really rate him and respect him. And that's why even the other day when the whole entire thing went down, that let me felt so sad within myself and the whole entire thing. But when we look now, we see the team back together, and they're actually doing their thing, making moves, making new videos, and that's what I want to see as it relates to Color TV, just doing his thing and just helping so much people as much as he can. So I just want the fans out there, just look forward for more videos to come from Colors and just continue to support this individual as best as we can. Not only me, but you out there as well. You have a part to play in just watching these videos and just giving your comments and your opinions as well, because some of the time Colors might have an idea in his mind and then he listens to what the viewers are actually saying, which is very good, because at the end of the day the viewers are what really counts, and they are the one that is promoting this thing and growing this thing from strength to strength. And he actually listens to his viewers in the comment section, in even messages, phone calls, and he always try to like listen and take the best advice that he think that will fit within his criteria, and that is really good. So Colors provided an update as it relates to the house itself right now, and I just want to share a short clip of that with you. So we're going to check that video out, but you can watch the full video on Color TV. So let's go to that now.
So whenever guests come, if they want to stay close by us, then they can stay here. See, the official Airbnb construction has not yet started, because I have the piece of land that I bought sometime last year, to start my official Airbnb. That has not been started as yet, simply due to the fact that I wanted to finish this, for the purpose that was, as we know, based on everything that happened, this house will be serving new purposes.
As you listen to Color voice in this video, it's very clear that he's sounding hurt based on what transpired about the whole entire thing and how he did this out of the kindness of his heart. And this had an intended purpose, not the one that he wants to do with it right now, but he did this for a purpose and a cause. And based on what transpired, he has to turn his mind around and put it into a different light, which I believe this is the right thing that he's actually doing. Because some of the time, you'll come across certain people, they're not grateful for the help that you provide, and it just goes to show you how people can be at times.
So I am going to allow my guests, so it would be like a partial Airbnb, not a full-fledged Airbnb, but something where my guests can come, and just, if they're staying for a week or two or a couple of days, then they can come and stay here, and have the nice, beautiful view to wake up to and everything. And this part now is where it ties back into with whatever I'm doing, in terms of feeding the homeless and, just reaching out to people. Because trust me, I get calls like daily, everybody trying to reach out to me for assistance in one way or another. I am just one person, I can't help everybody. So I have to be smart about this. And I basically listen to a lot of the, how you call it now? I've listened to a lot of the stories, that people call and tell me, Colaz, I'm going through this. Colaz I need help with that. I listen to them, and then I do my checks and find out, you know, if this person or that person really needs the help. And when me realize, say, all right, yeah, man, them then a spot where I feel like me I go help them. That's where I make the step towards helping them. With that being said, all of that, have been coming from me. You see me? Yeah, man, no sponsors or anything. All of that have been coming from me. So I decided no, that with this, whenever guests come and stay, they, what you call it, the monies that will come from this, will go towards, such activities. Yeah, so I can continue, to feed the homeless 3 times a week and even more, because we're gonna, like I said, branch off shortly, and I can assist people just the same. Of course, I still not gonna say me I go help everybody, because me only one man can't save the world. But if we can reach out to 1 or 2 persons, then you know that's something that I'm willing to do. So that's how this house is going to be doing. Yeah. So like I said, it's soon finished. Bathroom left for construct, and then cut a road, nice road, driving road where car can forward up. So we have all of that. The website is up. Persons can book a vehicle. Same way, so it's like an all-in-one package. So if you want forward for adventure, you can forward for adventure. We have the house for you stay. We have vehicles for you rent. And then we just wake up and we're gone for adventure. So that are the new purpose what this house will be serving.
So there you have the whole entire move that is planned by Colaz. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and continue to be a part of this channel. Peace out and bless.